ka Mount Olive Culinary and Hospitality Management Shillong ka khot admission haki professional courses prepare ya ka jingtip ka ba khamnya lecture ka city office 100 Academy ha malki.
Frank Motors, authorized dealer of Tata Motors PV, is now open at Lightcorny, Shillong. We are here to offer you India's most safest cars and to ensure you to get the most out of owning a Tata vehicle.
Umenji bakmi ya ka kampo yang agajala ba lakmen Rymbui ulong ba ka jing bam pynpaw ya ka kyrteng ju ki briew bat ki pulet ha ka kaiphot toket halo ka jing sha siat yap ka jong ba share start field thank you kalong nomar ha ka kaiphot hi la ka do ba anam la ban penitu yeginu gini ku briew ne ginong sakhi ha ka bai dei ba ka jing ki jong ka sur ka briew hinyo trap ulong ba ka jing tai hapo ka ing dor bar tho an kan dang don halo ka ni ka kaiphot pa hedin kata ka ei ka bron kam ban le ka sarkar kansale
ha ka report kala ong shai ba ya ka kyrteng jong ki briew deban buri da kada ha ka report te ni le ka kumba report tam ka report ka ong ta la pi pe ka sla ka balai la ka bakla orang bakla te bang ka necessary thing ki bagi deban le ngin le I think that this now is becoming the public domain, so it is the government will see, and moreover I think that honorable member also will be have time to discuss, so we'll see. You have seen in the report itself that the honorable chief minister have in the action taken report has mentioned what is to be done and what is not to be done, so let's wait. As I said, you have seen in the action taken report, in that report itself where the chief minister has mentioned everything, so kindly go through the report, then we will address a lot of issue, we'll address it separately. Okay, thank you.